In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive old projects in Asana. If you're using Asana for project management, you likely have projects that have been completed a while ago, but you're not quite ready to delete. Archiving is the perfect solution to keep your workspace clean while retaining access to old data. Let's dive right into it. To begin, open up your Asana dashboard where all your projects are listed. You may have a project that you're no longer actively working on and want it out of your day-to-day view without permanently losing the information associated with it. Archiving will allow you to do just that. First, locate the specific project you wish to archive from your projects list. This list gives you a quick glance of all ongoing and past projects, which can sometimes become cluttered with time. Once you've identified the project, move your attention to the drop-down menu located right next to the project name. It's typically depicted by a small downward-facing arrow or an icon with 3 dots. Clicking on this menu presents you with various options for managing your project. Look for the option labeled Archive. When you select this, the project will instantly be moved out of your active project list, effectively cleaning up your workspace and letting you focus on current tasks. Now, you might be wondering what happens to the project after it's archived. Well, the archived project no longer appears in your main project list, which helps to declutter your dashboard. However, the project isn't entirely gone. To view your archived projects, simply navigate to the section designated for archive projects in Asana. This area acts like a vault where you can see all the projects you've archived over time. Should you need to refer back to them, they are easily accessible. An added benefit is the ability to unarchive projects whenever necessary. There may come a time when a project that was previously archived needs to be reactivated or updated. To unarchive a project, go back to your archived projects view, find the project you want back in action, and simply select the option to unarchive it. The project will reappear in your active project list, making it available for further updates and modifications. And there you have it. It's as simple as that to manage your old projects in Asana without having to delete them permanently. Whether you're aiming to streamline your workspace or prepare for new tasks, archiving is your friend. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks on using Asana and other great project management tools. See you in the next video.